How to find sound settings on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and now click on your profile here, this icon in the top corner, and then click the settings icon and then click sounds, and as you see here you will find sound settings, and if you want to change this one just click here and enable this one, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.